Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how to draw this pretty quickly. And the control button is going to be a big factor in this to make it perfect. I'm going to take a polygon, four-sided, hold down the control button. Then take the shape tool and grab one of the nodes and hold down the control button. If you don't hold down the control button, you could get this right here. But if you hold down the control button, you'll get a perfect one. Now, let's make that a color. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and change the duplicate to red. I'm going to grab all the nodes and go right here and add a node. And I'm going to grab this node right here and hold down the control button. And look at that. Now, really and truly, it's two polygons on top of each other, and one of them is that. But I've done some testing on my just paper printer, and it's not going to print the red that's below this blue, or vice versa. And matter of fact, that right there is a pretty cool object. Anyway, so when you want to use something that you want perfect, hold down the control button. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.